What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kippo, and welcome to the channel, man. And today I'm gonna head to this car meet. It's a car wash grand tour opening or whatnot. So, finna head to that. Finna have some fun. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video, rap with your friends. We'll keep the intro short, sweet, and simple. Yeah. Say what's poppin'. Get on with it. Oh, they ain't see your car since. Man, see it. Oh man, you got the steering looking clean. Got the stars. Oh, what's your brand name? What's your brand called?
Oh, no, this ain't mine, but you know, go shop Eternal Euphoria, yo. Swear to God. It'll get you right.
Word.
Christ.
Yeah, we outside tonight, boy. We got me a Subaru BRZ right in front of me. We got a Camaro RS. I'm in the big boy 2SS with the peanut butter inside, you feel me? And we got a 5.0 we got a 5.0 8-speed behind me. You know, that Gen 2. You said what?
I wanted a fat ass meat.
Twin, hey, Twin wanted a sub, bro.
I ain't tripping though. We can go to,
Yeah, we outside tonight, though. We go to this meet, get some content for you guys. Yo, just put up to the meet. Yo, it is deep over there. Yo, bro, it is deep out here, bro. Yeah. Yo. Like when I tell you, it's like so many people here. We pulled up thinking like there's gonna be like at least some parking. Nah, there's none. Bro, this is hard. Yeah. My fault, son. My fault. I'm about to wait.
Next time, don't be so fucking rude. My mom's too reckless.
You ain't got no plate on, bro?
I got a temporary.
You going to jail. You going to jail. This is GTR heaven over here, bro. R35. Yo, GTR heaven. Look at another GTR. Heaven, bro. Huracan. Bro, this GT3 RS is gorgeous, bro. Got the ZL1. Sure. Nah, this is hard. Hold on, I just walked the. That. Civic. Oh, with the hood exit? Oh, single turbo? Okay. And that's a sneaky turbo, kind of posted up right there, chilling. Got two Mustangs, the new, what is this? This is a Gen 3 with the GT500 front bumper. Okay. He might have a tune on his car. I don't know. He looks sneaky. The R32 is beautiful. I have one. You want me to open it? I have.
¿Otra vez? Oye, ese güey, no, déjate la puta cabeza, no voy a tener la de otra vida mía.
If you're parked at Sesco, you're getting towed.
Shut the fuck up. He might be a school shooter, my nigga. I'm telling you.
I don't think they understood. There's another one over there, my God.
He shoot planes over there
I don't
too.
think they understood the mission. That he said if you park at Subco, you get towed. Like you're.
Where is that at?
The gas station, bro.
Oh, over there? Man.
Good base.
Ooh, good Lord.
I know it.
He's walking bro out. Oh my Lord. Bro, what's going on right now? What is going on right now, twin? Bro. I got a Whipple. That ain't me. Alright YouTube, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want more comments, If you guys want more videos like this, please make sure you hit that bell, stay notified, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram at KIPPOLIZED. Just stay tuned for the content, man. I'm gonna start bringing you guys some crazy videos, you know what I'm saying? Explanations, POVs, whatever you guys want. So you guys enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay, bye.